how to safely add money on Venmo. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Venmo account. After that, right beside the Venmo balance, you will be able to find the option of manage. Simply click on it. Now just click on the option of add money, and it would prompt you to select whether you want the instant money or the standard process. Just select accordingly, and after that you would be prompted to type the amount that you want to add, but make sure that you have added the payment method on your Venmo account in order to do this process. Now after typing the amount, just click on next, and this way you would be able to select the payment method. Select any particular bank that you want to use in order to add the money. After that, click on the option of add money, and this way you would be able to receive the money in your Venmo account instantly. Sometimes it might take up to 3 business days, so just have patience while adding the money to your Venmo account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.